Today we're at scenic Fraser Park, home of El Tejon School, and today we're here to... All right, well, this afternoon we're at El Tejon School, and right now we've got 5th grader Wyatt. How are you today?
Good.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, you know what? This is a beautiful spot up here in Fraser Park. You've lived here for a long time? Mm-hmm. We're going to do a problem with a national park, Yellowstone National Park. Have you ever been there?
No.
A beautiful spot, much like El Tejon is here. Anyway, Yellowstone National Park is basically the shape of a rectangle. And it measures 55 miles by 64 miles. And what we'd like to do is find out the area of that national park. So in order to find out area, how would you figure this out?
Times.
You would times. What would you times?
64 by 55.
Okay, so the length times the width, and then we'll find area. So go ahead and write down those numbers and let me know how you're doing this. So explain to me what numbers you're multiplying as you do this.
I'm multiplying 5 times 4, which equals 20, because if you go 5 into 4, if you go 5 into 4 4 times, you get 20.
Okay.
So you bring the 0 down here and carry up the 2.
All right.
And then you do 5 times 6, which equals 30, plus 2 equals 32.
Okay.
And then you cross out the 2, so you don't get mixed up, and then you
Right.
add a 0.
And why are you adding a 0? Because there are going to be some students watching this for the first time wondering how you're multiplying. So why do you put a 0 there? It's correct.
Because they're both 2-digit numbers.
Okay. So you're
And-
moving over for the placeholder.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you move from the ones column into the tens column.
Perfect.
Then you do 5 times 4, which equals 20. And I'm just gonna add another 2, and then you do 5 times 6, which plus 2 equals 32.
All right.
And then you add them. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
And you just carry down the 3 because there's nothing to add.
Okay.
And then you add the comma.
And what would be our answer now?
The area of Yellowstone Park would be 3,520 miles long.
Close. Why don't we write the number over here, the final answer, 3,520. And you have the number correct, 3,520, but is it 3,520 miles long, or is it 3,520 square miles?
Square miles.
Square miles. And how would you write that now? Didn't I write that notation, square miles or miles squared?
No.
All right, here's what we'll do. We'll go 3,520 miles squared, or square miles. So you can write it either way, so go ahead and put the units on the end of your answer. There you go. So now, how would you read the answer?
64 times 56 miles equals 3,520 miles squares.
Perfect. Wyatt, nicely done, dude.